Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a container for my Totally Dazzled bling. And speaking of Totally Dazzled, they have given me two $25 gift cards to give to my subscribers. I'll give some more information on how to enter that later on in the video. I got this empty candle jar from my mom. She wasn't going to be using it, and I thought it was a great container for something. I had it for a few weeks before I decided what to do with it. It is painted on the inside, so you don't have to worry about painting it, but you can use any jar that you have. And I'm also using some Dollar Tree napkins that I'm going to decoupage onto the outside. Make your own jar depending on the decor you want in your house. This is the one I decided to use, a floral, and I'm using Mod Podge to adhere it to the outside of the jar. That's where you want it because it's very thin, and if you lift it up it'll start to rip, so be careful there. So I just added Mod Podge little at a time, so I didn't have to worry about the Mod Podge drying up on me. Once you lay your napkin around the jar itself, let it dry, and then do another coat of Mod Podge to seal in the napkin. Make sure you add extra around the edges because that's going to be the part where it's going to be, I guess, manhandled the most when you're opening and closing the jar. And let that dry completely. I use my heat gun. I cheated, I'm sorry. But I use my heat gun to finish drying it up. Once the napkin is completely dry, I take my sanding sponge from Dollar Tree and sand down the edges that are overlapping on the top and the bottom of the jar. I got these gems from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting and pasting some pieces because I've used this on other projects before. So use what you have. This lid with the Waverly chalk paint and moss to match the napkin, but you can use any color you want depending on what the napkin you're using. After the bottom bling, it still needed something at the top, so I found this bling wrap that I got also from Dollar Tree, and I cut it down to a couple strips, but it did not go all the way around. So I went back to my stash to see if I had more or if I could try something different, and I found some more gems. So I'm going to be adding those in the gap that this little bling wrap left. So like I said, use what you have in your stash. So here you're going to see the little gap is about 2 inches that was left from that other little bling wrap. So I found these stickers, these sticker gems. I believe I got these at Tuesday morning. I didn't have the wrapper, so I'm not sure exactly where I got it from. But I've seen these something similar to at Dollar Tree and Michael's. So like I said, whatever you have in your stash. And I just started adding them to the jar. No pattern whatsoever, just like if some bling was dripping out of the jar. That's what I was trying to go for. take this time to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel, for liking my videos, for commenting, for sharing. All that really helps my channel out. To enter these two $25 gift cards, go to totallydazzled.com. I'll leave that link down below in my description box. And what would you order from Totally Dazzled? And put that in your comment below, and that will enter you into the drawing. I will be picking the two winners on Friday at noon, not Friday at Tuesday, Friday at noon Eastern time, and I'll put those winners on my community tab. Thank you. Now I'm adding one of the Totally Dazzled charms or clips, and I'm cutting the back off so that way I can ease 6,000 to the top of the lid. But you don't have to do this. You could add another little knob on there. Like I said, design this to your liking. Until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with some bling.